never let the patient leave the clinic without a smile. So with a fallen tooth or whatever, diagnose properly the patient before entering the pulp chamber or entering the mouth, even the mouth of the patient. And also stay humble and work in teams and gather the most information you can for a treatment. Okay, so my name is Bojidar Kafelov and I come from Sofia, Bulgaria. I'm an endodontist and also restorative dentist in Sofia. I have, until that point, 15 years of working experience. I was teaching for the past 5 years. The topic is diagnosis in endodontics, and it's actually important because as dentists we tend to start drilling and treating the patient before even knowing what is with the patient. So I think this is why it's important for both for endodontists and for the patients to know how to treat the patient and to know how to prepare ourselves and the patient for an endodontic treatment. Okay, the key learning objectives are never let the patient leave the clinic without a smile. So with a fallen tooth or whatever, diagnose properly the patient before entering the pulp chamber or entering the mouth, even the mouth of the patient. And also stay humble and work in teams and gather the most information you can for a treatment. I think the only specific thing I want to give to the audience is that they should stay humble and they should stay knowledgeable and treat their patients like they are treating their close relatives, their mother or father. Yes, I saw the exhibition here and it is really nice. It is super well organized. Also, I noticed that during the entrance I didn't have any problems. There wasn't a queue. Everyone was really fast, so everything is perfect. Mainly young people going to the booths, speaking with the exhibitioners and just being interested in what is going on here. Full rooms, because I went also to the aesthetic room to have a glimpse, and it is super nice feeling, super warm feeling, because you can. It is really important for us to attend such congresses for, let's say, 2 reasons. One, to get knowledge, and the second one is to socialize with other colleagues from around the world, to meet people and to exchange knowledge. So if you're wondering what to do and where you can learn really contemporary things about aesthetics, endodontics, orthodontics, digital dentistry, and whatever topic you choose in dentistry, you can visit Dental World in Hungary and you will be completely satisfied.